All right, guys, so here it is, the Re-Maiden of the FliteTest foam board F14 with twin 90mm EDFs. After some slight cosmetic work to the nose and an ESC changeout, we got this back up in the air with a pretty considerable wind, and I apologize for the wind noise in advance. This particular plane flies and handles amazing. I will also be giving you a recap of what happened in the beginning of the video on the maiden flight. Hope you enjoy it.
It looks nice, so I know, I hope it flies as good as it looks. We'll be all right.
That's a different story. We're going to find out.
All right, so you ready to do this?
No.
All right, well, here we go. Are you ready?
Yeah, kind of. Scared.
Talk to me, Goose.
There was only one motor running.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, this one over here's not running.
So the left one arced it over.
Yep.
Why would it do that? We ran it 5 times. All right, so it's a nose job. I don't know why one would just go. I knew as soon as you let it go, I go, man, that just doesn't feel, it doesn't look right. And then it was just nice takeoff with one motor to the left and down, to the right and down. Okay, retracting back. Man, that sucks.
Well, guys, there you have it. Only one EDF came to life when we decided to maiden this plane. Don't know why, because we checked it numerous times all day and everything worked great. But as you can see, the damage was minimal, considering, and yes, she will fly again very soon. How does that feel to you? Doing a happy dance. There it is. Yes. F14 is finally in the air.
No kidding.
Look how good that thing flies, man. Who built that thing?
Yeah, baby, that's what I wanted. I don't want speed. I gotta trim it. I'm all excited though, not trim. Alright.
This is the FliteTest F14.
Look at that. Yeah, this is pretty hefty. When it comes downwind, I gotta really fight it. Alright. Yeah, that looks good.
Yeah, it does. The one y'all all been waiting for. This is the FliteTest F14 that all you guys have been wanting to see fly. This is the one. That baby hum. Not even half throttle. Wow. How's it float? Nice, man. How does that feel to you? Doing a happy dance. There it is. Yes.
Yeah, we waited 1.5 years for that. That this thing flies effortlessly.
That was killer.
Twin 90s, I could go straight up forever.
But it
But
flies really good when you have two EDFs running.
290s,
Yeah.
they said it would fall apart.
Yeah, right.
You know what they say. But it flew right out of your hands.
Yep.
And then your knees were shaking because I could tell.
Yeah.
He was left-handed, so it's all good discontinued like this.
Yeah.
Okay, well, I told him just 10 degrees, and man, it just took off, went straight up. Tons of power. ESCs work, but in fact, we did surgery all day. Actually, I did surgery.
Yes, you did.
And man, those flybys look good.
They look real good, man.
I've been waiting a long time.
I got some good pictures too.
Anyway,
Look at the wind. You can hear the wind too. Look how good that baby looks sitting there. Wow.
Yeah, we'll swing the wing next time.
Wow. Get down there and get your picture made with it, man.
Yeah, boys. Get yours now. Man, it looked good too. It's just simple. What's the wind? Wind's gusting to like about what, 12?
Yeah, it's tricky right now, that's for sure, man.
Man, this flight's good. We're gonna swing the wing. Flies like cake.
We did fly good, man.
Great 6200, right?
Yeah.
HRB.
Yep.
And we're gonna check the voltage and see what it is. That was only about 2.5 minutes.
All right.
But man, it looks good coming around in that sun.
It did look good, man.
Oh, I'm just so relieved. I'm going, man, am I gonna put all this work in this thing again? Not having to fly?
No,
Not this time.
Not this time. So let's check the pack
Oh,
over here and see what we
man.
got. All right, so we have
I'm
the
gonna get the checker. Don't go
HRB
anywhere.
all the way
Make sure it doesn't
forward
fall off. Watch my radio.
because nobody else has said anything about CG on this plane.
Oh, that's so awesome.
And we've got it all the way forward. That's an HRB 6200, weighs 785 grams. And let's see what we got. Audience wants to know.
We got 37% left, and that's on 2.5 minutes.
Right.
And I was hogging the throttle a little bit.
Yeah.
That's 290s,
Exactly.
only on a 6200 6 cell.
Right.
So I could go do another minute easy.
Yeah,
So that'd be 3.5 minutes.
Well, and you were having to trim out and everything too in that flight. So.
Man, it just flies like a reminder.
Yeah, it does. So get you one at FliteTest, guys.
37% is going up because it's cooling down. The voltage is bouncing back. Yeah, we can fly another minute, no problem.
Awesome. Great job, man. Look good.